Once upon a time, in a land of towering castles and endless fields, there were two kings. One believed power was everything, while the other believed people were everything. Their choices shaped the future of their lands. And the world King Adrian ruled with humility and fairness. He dined with farmers, learned from scholars, and treated the poorest with the same respect as the richest. His kingdom thrived in peace. King Cyrus, however, believed strength came from status. To him, royalty was superior, and commoners were meant to serve. He ruled from above, never among. His kingdom was rich, but unhappy. Then fate tested them. A great drought swept the land. Farmers had no water, traders had no goods, and the people looked to their kings for hope. King Adrian led by example. He shared the palace's food storage, worked beside his people, and asked everyone, rich and poor, to help each other. His kingdom stood together, King Cyrus in his palace, surrounded by panicked nobles. He orders higher taxes. Guards take food from the poor to feed the wealthy. King Cyrus, he took from the weak to protect the strong. While nobles feasted, farmers starved. His people grew angry, and anger breeds rebellion. A crowd of hungry citizens marches to King Cyrus's castle, demanding fairness. Meanwhile, in Adrian's kingdom, people share food with strangers, working together. And so one kingdom grew stronger through unity, while the other crumbled under greed. A rainy night, a desperate King Cyrus disguises himself and sneaks into King Adrian's kingdom, seeking help. One night, King Cyrus, now weak and desperate, fled his own palace. He had wealth but no respect, a king with no people. Is no king at all, King Cyrus, exhausted, knocking on a villager's door. He is shocked when a poor farmer welcomes him inside, offering food. In the land of equality, even a fallen king was treated with kindness. And for the first time, he understood. What true power was King Adrian and King Cyrus sitting together? Adrian places a hand on Cyrus's shoulder. With humility, King Cyrus asked for help, and with kindness, King Adrian gave it. Not because he had to, but because he believed in peace. True strength lies not in power, but in humility. Peace is built with equality, not division. And so, the two kingdoms became one, not ruled by wealth or fear, but by unity and respect. The world is shaped by how we treat one another. Will you choose kindness, humility, and equality? Let us know in the comments. And if this story inspired you, hit that like button, share it with someone, and subscribe for more.